Oh my god, I just took one look at myself on the viewfinder of the camera and holy crap, it's like a cutesy overload. Yeah, so I went on an AliExpress shopping spree again and bought a bunch of things that I really shouldn't, but I wanted to prove to my husband that I will use them, and that's why here I am wearing all this ridiculousness, because my marriage is totally based on proving that I'm always right. Okay, privately, I may have to concede that he may be right about the hairband and a choker, but you know what? It's freaking cute. I'm gonna find a way to use it. One day I'll cosplay something and this will come in very handy. Yeah. Anyway, so today's video is a review on this new Korean brand I tried out, iUNIK. So the iUNIK team approached me a few weeks ago asking if I'd like to try their products in exchange for a review, and of course I said yes because I'm always in search for the next skincare holy grail out there. So they told me to pick 3 products, and going through all the ingredient list, I picked the 3 products that do not contain any ferments. Unfortunately, a lot of their products do contain ferments, and ferments break me out. It's not that ferments is a bad ingredient, but it's just that it doesn't suit me. Fermented products are actually really great for anti-aging. SK2's whole brand identity is based on the fact that they contain ferments and that keeps you looking young. I really wish ferments work for me because I think they're amazing ingredients, but unfortunately they do break me out. So anyway, the 3 products I decided to try out are the Lime Moisture Mild Peeling Gel, the Tea Tree Relief Toner, and the Vitamin Hyaluronic Acid Vitalizing Toner. Anyway, I had to replace 3 items from my usual skincare routine video to make room for these 3 products. So I'll link my usual skincare routine video above and below. I don't want to go through the entire thing. It's like a crazy 10-step ritual. It's very long, so I'll just link the video and you can check it out. Of course, that skincare routine has been modified a bit. If you've watched my VitaBrid review, I'll link it above and below too. I've added the VitaBrid Dual Serum into my routine because it's freaking fantastic. I love it. It's my new forever item in my skincare routine, but because it's just one edition, I thought I probably shouldn't reshoot the entire skincare routine video. Maybe I'll wait until a year to update that video. If I've updated it, I'll definitely link it above and below too. Anyway, the 3 items I've replaced in my routine with these 3 items are the Holika Lazy and Easy Egg Peeling Gel, because I don't need 2 peeling gels. The COSRX BHA Toner, because I don't know how to include the Tea Tree Toner and the BHA Toner, because I feel like if I'm just wiping my face down twice with them, I'll just be wiping off whatever I just applied. So I replaced the COSRX BHA Toner, and I also replaced all my Hada Labo serums because Hada Labo is my hyaluronic acid serum and this contains hyaluronic acid anyway, so I thought I better replace it. Anyway, brief background on my skin so you know what I'm dealing with. I'm very acne prone. If you think that my skin looks good right now, it's because my skincare routine is working. I'm very prone to breakouts, clogged pores, whiteheads, blackheads, all the works. I have a very oily T-zone, but somehow still managed to be very dehydrated from within because I do suffer from Sjogren's. It's an autoimmune that's not a big deal, really not a big deal at all, but it does dehydrate me like crazy. So that's my skin. Oh, and I'm aging. Basically, my skin hates me. Anyway, let's get on with the review. So the Lime Moisture Mild Peeling Gel. The way you use it is after you've cleansed your face and you've towel dried your face, you apply this all over your dry, clean face. Wait about 10 seconds, and after 10 seconds, just start rubbing and you'll see all the dead skin come off. It's really gross looking, but so satisfying at the same time. This is definitely the harshest peeling gel I've ever encountered. It's so harsh that I have to wash my face multiple times because I can still feel like skin peeling off. It's extremely harsh, and at the end of it I feel that squeaky clean feeling where my face feels like really taut plastic. So yeah, it definitely scared me. Some people may like that squeaky clean feeling, but that's actually not good for you. The reason is because your skin does have this acid mantle that you have to preserve, because once you destroy that and you destroy your moisture barrier, Basically, your skin is vulnerable and bacteria can easily get in and break you out. So your skin is very delicate. Be really careful with it. You don't want to over exfoliate and over cleanse because it's actually doing more harm than good. So be really, really careful with your skin. I only use this 3 times over 3 weeks, while I normally use my Cure Natural Aqua Gel or my Holika Egg Peeling Gel 2 to 3 times a week, just because it's so harsh, and this definitely scared me. I felt that this was way too harsh, so now I'm using it for my body instead of my face. If your skin isn't as delicate as mine and you feel that this is okay for you, go for it, but do remember that it contains a lot of citrus extracts in it, and citrus extracts do make you more photosensitive, which means you'll sunburn more easily. So if you do want to use this, remember to use a lot of sunscreen. You should be using sunscreen anyway. It's good for you. And avoid excessive sun exposure because you will be more prone to sunburns when you're using this product. Price-wise, this costs $12.99 by the way, so it's pretty affordable. The prices aren't too crazy. So next product is the Tea Tree Toner. This is the next step after all my wash-off products. I put it on a cotton pad and wipe my whole face with it. And looking at the ingredients, I do think it's great. I do think that this product is probably good, but I probably should not have replaced my COSRX BHA toner with this because thanks to my lack of BHA, I do notice more whiteheads and blackheads popping out. I was really surprised, and my pores do seem to have gotten larger. For the first time in a long time, I got blackheads on my forehead, and that rarely happens. I usually only get it around my nose and a part of my cheeks near my nose. So yeah, I guess it's not that this product is bad, it's just that the COSRX BHA toner is just what my skin needs at the moment. Oh, and price-wise, this costs $21.99 for 200 milliliters, so not that bad. Finally, the Vitamin Hyaluronic Acid Vitalizing Toner. That's such a mouthful. This product made me realize how amazing my Sulwhasoo First Care Activating Serum is, because the first 3 times I used this, I thought I will take my Sulwhasoo First Care Activating Serum out just to see how this feels without it. And every time I applied it after the Tea Tree Toner, I ended up with this whitish sticky foam all over my face to the point where I thought that I wasn't washing my face properly. There were still some leftover suds. So I kept washing my face and washing my face, and I know I'm kind of slow, but it took me 3 attempts before I realized, okay, I think that's not foam, it's this toner reacting to the Tea Tree Toner. But after I started using the Sulwhasoo First Care Activating Serum before I applied this toner, suddenly everything got absorbed. To show you how effective the Sulwhasoo First Care Activating Serum is, I did an experiment. I applied the First Care Activating Serum on just half my face, then I applied the Vitamin Hyaluronic Acid. And you'll see the side that's bare, the whitish stuff forming, while the part with the Sulwhasoo First Care Activating Serum just got absorbed pretty easily into my skin. This product is also extremely sticky, even with the Sulwhasoo First Care Activating Serum. But with the First Care Activating Serum, it's much less sticky. As you see, the tissue I stuck on the half of my face where I put the First Care Activating Serum falls off much more easily than the face without. So yeah, this product is really sticky and needs a lot of help to get absorbed in my skin. So I'm not that big of a fan. Not only that, it's also more expensive than my Hada Labo serum, which is way better. I'm sorry. Yeah, it just is. This costs $21.99 for 200 milliliters, while my bottle of Hada Labo costs about $17 to $20, depending on which country I buy it from, for 200 milliliters. I gotta check my math on this. Anyway, Hada Labo, cheaper, better, so this is definitely NYX for me. So that's it for my review. Thank you so much for watching the entire thing. If you've enjoyed this video, please remember to subscribe and don't forget to like this video because it really helps a lot. It helps my videos get more views and I'll know what kind of videos to make next. If you'd like to know when my next videos will come out, turn on notifications. And if you like my eye makeup, the pictorial is available on Instagram. I'll link it below. Anyway, thank you so much for watching the entire thing, and I'll see you next time. See you. Bye.